Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Archie, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Yashri Bagi. Thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna be showing you what are the products that I shopped from Myntra because Myntra had a huge sale going on and I obviously took advantage of it. The product which I'm going to show you today are half of the packages that I've received from Myntra, and rest of them are the cosmetic products that I'll be showing you in my next video. So let's just go through the video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to do that. Let's just go through the video. First of all, I'm going to show you a few products that I have, few cosmetic products, not few, just two of them. So yeah, and the first one is a Lakme Iconic Liner Pen. I bought this because the color bar one which I had, I totally used it, and this time I wanted to try Lakme, so I bought this. And yeah, I don't use the liquid one which comes in bottle because I don't know, it's very sometimes it's not comfortable to apply, and it's just कि आपके आँख में भी लग जाता है, so that isn't actually, that spoils your eye makeup. If you have done that, totally spoils your eyeshadows and everything. Although you can use your hack, but whatever, I prefer Lakme liner pen. And the next one what I have is Lakme liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Latte, and I really liked it. I'm gonna be using in my next video, so stay tuned. And yeah, this costed me around 300, and I bought it because this is budget friendly and very good for you. And trust me, I have tried this and this is really good. So yeah, if you're interested, go to Myntra and buy this. Now, clothes. So the first one that I have is a yellow peplum top. It's like this. This one, I really liked the color. When I saw this, I wanted a peplum top. I had a peplum kurti actually, which I bought around Dussehra last year, and so it was like ethnic, so I wanted something western in peplum tops. This is for 1300 and I got it for 800 something. So yeah, it's really a good one. This has long sleeves and has a high neck. You can see it's a solid weave-in peplum top, and the material is polyester. So yeah, I liked it, so I bought this one. And at the back it has a closure button. How do I show it to you guys? It has a closure button, so this is really a good top. And if you're interested to buy something western and cute, I would say, so yeah, I love this. You can use it with skirts or pants, trousers, jeans, anything, and this would really look good on you. So if you're interested, you can buy this one. Another one what I have is pants. I really liked it. This one, this is an olive green pant. It's a trouser, you can say. This one, so it's olive green and it's high-rised. It's a cropped peg trouser. And it has a slip-on closure. It has two pockets and it comes with a belt. It is a fabric belt, so I really like this one. You can use it with white tops, or you can give it very chic style. So I really like this one. Casual, comfy, very good. So I thought to buy this one, thought to change my style, so I was interested in these trousers, pants, whatever. So yeah, you can buy this, and this is very soft, very good. So if you're interested, you can buy this one. This will cost you around at the sale is in there, this will cost you around 1300, but I got it for 700 something. So yeah, this is really a good one. I would suggest this. Next I have is a black regular solid trouser. This is a parallel trouser, and it has a buckle belt and is a high waist. It's a high raised trouser. So it's parallel trouser, so you can use it with white formal shirts or beautiful crop tops, anything that would look good on this. So yeah, you can just buy this. This is again in the material polyester and is machine friendly. The yellow top which I showed was it's not machine friendly, not at all machine friendly. You have to wash it with your hands actually. So in case if you're interested or not interested, you can buy it. It's up to you. Casual, chic, formal, anything. This would look totally amazing if you just style it with some white shirt or white shirt, etc. Another one what I have is a skirt. It's a pleated skirt. It's accordion pleated skirt from Ives. This is around 1300 and it costed me around 700 something. So yeah, this is very good, and if the sale is in there and if you want to buy, it will cost you around 1300 maybe. So yeah, this is a beautiful pleated skirt, and its length is up your knee. It's a knee length skirt and it's a high rise, and the material is poly crepe, also machine wash friendly. So yeah, if you want, you can buy this. This is a really beautiful skirt. I'm gonna style it with beautiful tops. So yeah, you can buy if you're interested, because nowadays these are very trendy. Earlier people used to buy a pencil skirt, frock skirt. I have bought one. So I thought to buy the pleated one because I really liked it and I wanted it for a long time, so I just bought it. I really loved it. So yeah, you can use it you can buy it if you want. This is really good. What I have next is a shirt from Roadster. It's a teal blue shirt from Roadster. You must have seen in my last video, Cooper's birthday vlog, my mom wore it, and this was really looking pretty on her, and I also really liked it because we kind of share it, and I really like the material and the style this shirt has. This is very comfy, very, like very elite, and it looks amazing. It's a casual shirt with a Cuban collar, and it has you can see Cuban collar, and it has a long sleeve. Sleeve length is really long, and not much long, but yeah, long, and it has a straight hem, pleated buttons, and the material is polyester. Again, it is machine friendly, so if you want, you can get yourself one. This is really comfortable, trust me, it is comfortable. So I really liked the style, the color. The main thing that actually attracted me was the color. I didn't had this one. This is really beautiful, and when I received it, this was comfortable too. So yeah, the style, the color, everything is perfect. Just get it for yourself. This costed me around this is around 1000. I think it might have got out of stock because when I was buying, it was like 1 or 2 left in stock. So if you'll get it, you're the lucky one. This is from Roadster, and yeah, you can get it for yourself too. Shirt again, and this I bought for me. And this is from Roadster again. This is kind of oversized shirt for me. It was last piece, M size, for me, just for me. Like लिखा हुआ था तो भाई मिल गया. So yeah, it will cost you. Its actual price is 1300, and it costed me around 900 something. So yeah, shirt is 100% cotton, and it has yellow, black, and grey check on it, and it has full sleeves with a spread collar, and it has a patch pocket over here, and is a curved low hem. Like from one side it is low and from another it's a long one. So yeah, you can say that. I'll show you in my video and pictures. You'll really like it. So I really love the shirt. This is cotton and it keeps you warm. This is really a good one. So if you're interested, you can buy this. This costed me around 1300, and I guess it was last one, so it must have been out of stock till now. So the last cloth that I have is a kurta. It's a straight kurta, beautiful straight kurta from W, and it's in the color taupe, golden and off-white, and I really like the color. I was attracted to the color, honestly. Like, I wanted a subtle neutral color like this. I was really attracted to the color basically, and the print is amazing. It has a mandarin collar and the quarter is the quarter 3 sleeves. So this really looks pretty. It has the print at the end of the sleeves and it will come to your calf length. So if you're interested, you can really buy one. This is a really beautiful straight ethnic kurta. If you're because the festive seasons are near, so I thought why not just invest in kurta these days. So yeah, I really like this one, and I am excited to wear this. This is in the material viscose rayon and it's a hand wash. It's not it's not machine friendly, so do not wash it in your machine and spoil it. Better wash it with your hands, please. So yeah, if you're interested, you can buy this one. I really liked it, and this costed me its actual cost is 1800. Its actual cost is 1800 and this costed me around 900. So I really like this one. 50% off. You can get it for yourself if it's available till now. So yeah, get yourself one. Now the last thing that I bought from Myntra was a sneaker I bought from Roadster. I really liked this one, and again this was the last piece. It's out of stock now. I really liked this one, so I bought it. It comes in the box like this. I already showed this in my dance video which I recently uploaded, so if you haven't checked yet, please go and check, and you can get a complete not a complete, but you can slightly get a knowledge about how the sneaker looks. So this is in black and white color. I really liked it. It's textured and everything. The outsole is of texture and pattern, and this has lace up and is mid-rise, so if you want, you can really buy this. I am actually attracted to the mid-rise shoes, so I've always wanted this kind of shoes. Irritating insects. So I've always wanted this kind of shoes, so I really bought this one for me this time, and gradually I'm getting into shoes more than heels, so I really like this one. This has a chain this side, so you can wear it properly, and it's a beautiful shoe. I really liked it. Beautiful pair of shoes. So get yourself one if you find it on Myntra now. This shoe is actually of 3000. It's from Roadster and is of 3000. If you'll go to the store and it will cost you around 3000 if the sale is in there. But I got it for 1200 something. So yeah, I really bought this one and I'm so excited to wear it again and again. So yeah, just get yourself one if you find this. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this. I showed half of the packages in this video and rest of them are cosmetics, so I'm going to be showing you in next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and like, comment, share, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below which cloth or what was your favorite product amongst all of this. Thank you so much for supporting me like you all always do. You guys make me so happy. I'm really blessed and grateful to have you all. Love you. Take care and bye bye.
I gave you my heart.